Oops.
You need to get that down.
I'll get it.
Hello, I'm Eagle.
Again?
I'm Bill.
Hey, Bill.
Hey, Doc.
I'm Doc. Do you suck at math?
I suck at math.
I suck at math too. Hey, we want to do. What do we want to learn about here?
Reciprocation.
Reciprocation. Okay, and so where does reciprocation come up? I think it came up in a problem that we were looking at earlier. Look at, I'm already going off the script.
No.
Oh, we had one.
It was 1 over 1/2.
Oh, that's right. It was. Did you want to start with it 1 over 1/2?
Didn't you?
Oh yeah. Okay.
You agreed on this.
Yeah, but it makes for a more interesting video if you change it up.
Okay. Then
All right.
Change it up. Don't use 1 over 1/2.
All right. Whoa. 1 over 1/2. I want to figure out what 1 over 1/2 is.
Yeah.
What is it? How am I going to get it?
You use the reciprocal.
Oh, so you want to say that this is the same as 1 times 2 over 1?
No. Yes. No.
Well, Bill. What's going on?
William.
This doesn't make
Actually, William.
William?
William.
William?
William.
What's wrong with this?
It's not right, because if you multiply 1 by 2 over 1, it equals 2 over 1, not 1 divided by 1 over 2.
Well, this is, okay, so I'm going back to this old rule. If I have A over B over C, isn't that equal to A times C over B?
Yeah. But how do we find that?
This is the question. So this turned out, this is actually okay. This is not, this is just fine. There's nothing wrong with that. And in fact, if I wanted to simplify that, I can write that out as 2 because the 1's cancel, right?
Oh, see, I was wrong because I suck at math.
And I suck at math too.
Yeah.
All right. But still fist bump. We're terrorists. Fist bump.
Wait, no,
terrorist fist bump. What's that?
And then, I know terrorist one. It's boom, boom. That's a terrorist fist bump.
That's a terrorist fist bump. Okay. I'm so glad we have a terrorist.
Fist bump?
Terrorist fist bump?
Yeah. Makes me feel happy.
Makes you feel better about things.
Yeah.
Okay. Excuse me while I got a little itchy there in the old schnozola. Okay. So the question really is now, we were talking about this. We were talking about this offline before we started recording this silly video again. And we said, why is that true? What's up with that? Because that's it's one of these rules that you get taught. I mean, your problem, Bill, is that you were raised as an American in crappy American schools. Yeah. And so you had teachers teaching you math, and they didn't know, they were no good at math. You know that people go into teaching, and anybody who's watching this YouTube and is an elementary school teacher and sees this, there are some elementary school teachers who really understand math and really like it, but the vast majority of elementary school teachers hate math. Yeah. They hate math. And when they find out that I'm a math person, even though I suck at math, they'd like to tell me how much worse they suck at math. Oh. People love to tell math people how much they suck at math. What? And then you just want to go, what does it say?
Beckett.
Beckett. Here, look.
Beckett.
Beckett. Beckett.
That's from Irish.
Is that Irish?
Irish.
Okay. A little of a blarney. All right. So, anyways, we don't want to just learn how to do, we don't want to do rules that we memorize. We want to understand why they're true.
Exactly.
So let's take a look at this. Let's just take a look at this A over B over C and see how we can make that work. Because this is actually going to be pretty easy. Not if it's in yellow. Okay, let's make this one. What color do you want? Purple. Make it purple. Yeah, but it's going to have to be a pen.
And you're going to have to change it to purple again.
And I have to change. Thank you. So I got A over B over C. In fact, let's write it down. Okay, now check it out. I've already done something that messes students up a lot. A over B over C. A over B over C. These two are the same thing. This guy and that guy are both exactly the same thing. So that can be pretty confusing for people.
See, one way to know is that the line just means division.
The line means division. So this is A divided by the quotient B over C. So let's write this as A over, because it's always these diagonal lines for dividing always mess people up. So let's write this as B over C. Okay? Now, how can we clear that fraction?
Wow. Let me think.
I can multiply this by 1. I'm going to multiply it by 1.
But that would just be the same answer.
Oh, but can't I write 1 in a special way?
1/1.
Well, 1/1 is one way to write 1. What about something else? What can I put up here that's going to clean that bottom up?
Oh, you'd multiply it by c.
If I multiply the bottom by c,
because b, the thing is b divided by c. That's
right? So those c's are going to cancel. But if I have a c on the bottom there, what do I need on the top?
You need to also multiply it by c.
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
See, with reciprocals, what you must do to one side, you must do the other.
So
golden rule.
It's a golden rule. You got to do the top and the bottom. If I multiply by 1, I'm okay. So let's look at this. This is AC over B. Oh my God! Now look, let's go one step. In fact, wait a minute before we do that. Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Oh my God!
You know how you spell that? OMIGAWD.
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Okay, check it out now. I'm going to
Holy
just say.
crap!
Hey, this is supposed to be G-rated.
Oh, really? Like the first one was?
I edited that stuff out.
Really? Even the shit?
No, I didn't edit that. I left that. I left that. Okay. A over B over C. Check it out. A over B over C is the same as AC over B. And and it's always true that anytime I have A over B over C, that's the same as A times this fraction, C over B. And this is where that rule, mine is not to question. I'm not even going to say it because I hate that rule so much. So I'm not going to say it. You want to say it?
What rule?
Mine is not to question y, just invert and multiply.
Oh, that's catchy because it rhymes.
It's catchy because it rhymes, and here is really why it works. Because when I clear the fractions on the top and the bottom, it has the effect of inverting the B over C to make it C over B.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye, Bill.
Bye, Bill.